Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this maths puzzle together. The area of polygon ABCDEF is 52, with the length AB equals 8, and the length BC equals 9, and the length of FA being 5. The question is, what is the combined length of DE and EF? So here, the area of the whole figure, of the whole polygon, is 52. And we want to find the combined lengths of FE and DE. So first of all, I see that the side BC is 9. So we also know that the side BC is equal to the side AF plus DE. So it's equal to AF plus DE, and the side BC has length 9 and AF has length 5. So 9 equals 5 plus DE, so the length of DE is just 4. So that's simple enough to find out. But I think the harder part is figuring out what FE is, okay? So here's what I will do. I'm going to erase all this first and draw these two lines, okay? So like that. So now I call this point O. So we want to consider the whole rectangle ABCO, right? We know that the rectangle has length 8 here and has length 9. So the area of the rectangle is 8 times 9, which is 72, okay? And we are given that the area of the polygon is 52. So we can form an equation here, being the area of ABCO take away the area of this shape here of FEDO. So if we take away the area of FEDO, then that is just the shape of the given polygon, which has area 52. Okay, so this is the 52-bit, like that, okay? Now we know the area of ABCO is 72, which we found above here. And if we minus FEDO, which can be found by multiplying FE by ED. So FE is the unknown, and we already found what DE is, which is 4. So 72 minus FE times 4 equals 52. And if we solve this equation, we get 4FE equals 72 minus 52, which is 20. So the length of FE is 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So now we have 4 and 5. Therefore, the combined length of DE plus EF is 4 plus 5. And that is 9. So the answer is C. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed something new. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.